What's up, guys? Welcome to my first tutorial inside C++ programming. So as promised, I said I will explain to you guys what this is. Okay, why do we have to write in this order? Why do we have to write it like that? So in this tutorial, you're going to know the basic structure of writing a C++ program. Okay, so let's remove our comments. We don't need them in this tutorial. Okay, so in programming, the first line of code to be written is going to be the first one to be executed, and the last code to be written is going to be the last code executed. Okay, when the program is being run or is being debugged, it will start from line 1 to up to the end. Okay, I don't know, maybe if you have 1,000 lines of code, that's up to you, but it will start at line 1 up to the end. Okay, so in our line 1 is you're trying to import. Okay, that word maybe I've seen it in other programs, but in C++ we use the hashtag include. Okay, which is this one. It's the same as import, but you use hashtag include. Okay, where what we are trying to say here, we're including a file. Okay, this file is under external dependencies. Okay, these are protected files. It's like libraries which are inside the compiler, and they help programmers to use them rather than to reinvent the wheel. Okay, so maybe you want to some math functions, maybe the formula for pi, okay, maybe for interest. So it has been, those libraries have been already written for us, and on our side we just use them. So this one is IO stream, meaning input output stream. Okay, this is what is enabling us to write anything here. Okay, inputting and outputting on the console. Okay, so maybe hello world, like what we just saw in the last tutorial. Okay, so like maybe this file is a class. Okay, it's a class, but inside the class we have functions. Okay, so those function is a small piece of code, maybe a probe of code which is doing a specific task. Okay, let's say you have a class animal. Okay, an animal can do anything, can reproduce, can excrete, can feed. Yeah, so this is a function. Maybe can back and whatever. Yeah, so this function is doing a specific task under a class of what comes. Maybe I would have created another project for that, but never mind. Okay, so the int is the return type. Okay, so sometimes you may see C++ programs ending with return maybe 0. Okay, yeah, so this means this int is our return type. Say whatever program has done, please return 0 if that is okay. Okay, otherwise it is going to return 1. Maybe you have an error or whatever. Yeah, so from our return type, this is the method name. It's called main, and this main is a predefined word, which means the starting point of our program. Okay, and then after the name we put parentheses or brackets. Okay, maybe call them parameters. As of now, it is not taking anything. Okay, and then we put this, and then we put this blocks of okay, these ones. That will mean this function is starting from here and ending here. If you try to add another one, it's going to complain, meaning that there's an extra one. Okay. Yeah, so this is our statement. Say std meaning standard, and then this word is please pronounce it as cout. Okay, cout as in the C language and then out. Okay, there's something called cin. Yeah, we're going to see that later. And then we want to output something, we put double less than signs, and then whatever we would like to output. Then so you can, this statement you can put it or you can leave it like that. There's no problem. Okay, this program will still return 0 if it is okay, and return something else it is if it is kaput. Okay, yeah, so that's the basic structure of how you can write a C++ program. Okay, let's just try to learn this one. Yeah, so hello world. Okay, yeah, so this hello world is this one. Okay, you can try to change that. Yeah, inside Visual Studio. Okay, let's debug that. Input and output is that one. Okay, and press any key to exit. Yeah, so maybe there could come a time if you don't want to do this, to write std on every line of code which you maybe wish to output to the user. You can do that by importing that standard library. Okay, so to do that, you say using namespace. Okay, that is our namespace, and then say std. Okay, yeah, so for that you don't have to write that one again. Okay, if it was if you could not have imported this one, then you could have an error. Okay, meaning that the thing, then you could have an error. Okay, meaning that the thing could not exist. Yeah, so you can remember that the output is going to remain the same. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, and another way of outputting that, you can say cout. Okay, we say programming is fun. Okay, you can do that again. Can, as you can see, there's only a single of this, but now you can put 2 and then you can say end line. Okay, and then you terminate that one. Yeah, so that's outputted. We are inside Visual Studio. Programming is fun. Okay, yeah, so basically that's how you can write a C++ program. Okay, you can include many of these functions. Okay, but make sure each function has a unique name and it does not correspond to like the default ways, like predefined ones. Okay, only this one is allowed, no other else. Okay, so that's all for it in this tutorial, guys. next tab we'll do more of outputting text on our console. Yeah, so don't forget to please get the code on my Twitter page, link in the description. Yeah, and please share so that people can learn what you are